You can expect a lot from the 2011 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.